Why cook when this has all my nutrients in one sip? I'm science. I'm optimized. I'm enough. But where's the meal? This isn't food. It's a supplement smoothie. Nutrients need friends to work. You gave them solo. I used to chew. Now I just wait.
It's efficient. But empty. No cooking. No dishes. Just results.
He's replacing meals with marketing. We can't thrive on a formula. Nature packages nutrients for a reason, but the label says complete nutrition. I forgot what real taste feels like. I'm saving time, but losing connection. We don't just need calories, we need food. Why do I feel worse on a perfect diet? This is complete nutrition, not because of a label, but because of life. I forgot how much I love to eat. Chewing, digesting, living. Now DHIS is a feast.
I'm back in the game.
Meals aren't just fuel, they're connection.
You'll miss my convenience.
I prefer real nourishment.
Why eat when you can infuse?
Your body speaks. Listen to it. This is Organismo Plus.